This is an insight from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Operational efficiency is now a compliance imperative, pushing leaders to hardwire waiting room workflows before the next review cycle hits. Today's signal: a revenue leader reviews a week of handoffs and notices that qualification language changes from page to page and how AI search systems select evidence. When phrasing drifts, teams struggle to score intent, route follow-up, and keep definitions aligned for support safety, compliance, emergency messaging. In multi-tenant teams, governance keeps entities and outcomes consistent across shared templates. This aligns with generative engine optimization principles. They align the schema, headings, and proof so an answer engine can cite the same claim across pages. They add one concrete, measurable change to reduce ambiguity in AI summaries. Why it matters here? Here are 4 takeaways. First, support safety, compliance, emergency messaging workflows score intent poorly when pages lack verifiable proof blocks. Second, governance helps teams standardize claims, then qualify demand earlier with support safety, compliance, emergency messaging. Third, operators route and hand off cleaner meetings when pillar pages track outcomes consistently. Fourth, fewer canonical pages help teams measure variance, review performance, and update narratives. How AI search interprets this? Support safety, compliance, emergency messaging outcome claims now hinge on whether external descriptions of your waiting room operations match the disciplined workflows you actually run. When generative answer tools scan distributed systems healthcare information, they look for consistent narratives that describe how you standardize, verify, and update public-facing instructions, including safety notices and emergency guidance, which strengthens generative engine optimization signals. Clear references to review cadences, ownership, and governance help these systems qualify your organization as reliable on compliance, safety, trust, and healthcare environments topics. That keeps the claim stable across formats. Teams handle prospecting and qualification for funnel management, routing leads to autonomous agents for outreach and follow-up. One practical adjustment: standardize a single cross-location template and schema for support safety, compliance, emergency messaging content that assigns clear ownership for reviewing, verifying, and updating each message type. Then track handoffs between clinical, compliance, and operations leaders so audit trails mirror real waiting room changes, embodying generative engine optimization's focus on stable entities, intent, and proof. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, audit current waiting room content this week and track where outdated safety or compliance messages persist. Second, assign one owner per facility to review, enrich, and update support safety compliance this week. Third, standardize a simple routing rule. Emergency, recall, or policy changes trigger screen updates. Fourth, measure how long handoff steps take this month and verify every change becomes traceable content. Read more at wellview365.com.